This is section 6.7, sale price. So on question number 1, we have, how is the sale price related to the markdown? So the markdown is an element to find our sale price. You subtract the markdown from the regular selling price so you can find the sale price of a product. In this section, we are going to use these formulas. Sale price equals regular selling price minus markdown. We are also going to use sale price equals the percent paid times the regular selling price and for our second formula, we need to know how to find also our percent paid, which is by using 100% minus the percent off. So we now go to our concept check, and then on problem number 1, we have the regular selling price of men's jeans is $37.99. The markdown rate is 20%. So now we need to find the sale price. On step number 1, we need to find the markdown. We are going to find the markdown by using one of the formulas from the previous section. It was regular selling price times the markdown rate. So we go ahead and we write our regular selling price is $37.99 times 20%. We need to convert that 20% into decimals. So we go ahead and do step number 1. We drop the sign, the percent sign, and now we also have to move our point 2 times to the left. That means our point is now before the 2, and 20 is a number less than 100, so we still need to put 1 0 to our left, to 0.20. So we can work with 0.20. If we go to our calculator, we have 37.99 times 0.20. That gives me a total of 7.59. If you remember how to round numbers, we could go ahead and round it to our nearest tenth. That means that 5, since it has a 9 next to it, and 9 is greater than 5, we can go ahead and round up that number, so we can work with 7.6. 7.6. Now on our step number 2, we need to find the sale price. So on step number 2, we need to find the sale price by using one of the new formulas for this section, which is the regular selling price minus the markdown. Right? So our regular selling price is $37.99 minus the markdown, which is the amount we just found, 7.6. And we go to our calculator. So 37.99 minus 7.6 equals to $30.39. $30.39. So that is our result. That is our sale price. Now we go to problem number 3. It says the regular selling price of a treadmill is $2,899. Our markdown rate is 20%. And it says use the percent paid to determine the sale price. So on step number 1, we find the percent paid. So one of the formulas in this section is how to find our percent paid. So simply, if we have 100%, which will be $2,899, we also have a markdown rate of 20%. So that is the percent that we are going to write down here. We need to find how much or what percent did we pay at the end. So we go to our calculator and we have 100 minus 20%, that is 80%, right? So we just write down 80. Now on step number 2, we have find the sale price. Well, we are going to use our other formula, which is percent paid times regular selling price. So our percent paid is 80, right? Since this is a percent, we need to convert that 80% into decimals. So step number 1, we drop the sign. Step number 2, we move the point 2 times to the left. Point is now before the 8. 80 is still a number less than 100, so we need a 0 before the point, and we write down 80. So this is the percent that we are going to be working. That is the percent paid, 0.80. Now we multiply it by the regular selling price, which was $2,899. We go to our calculator and we multiply 0.80 times $2,899. That is a total of $2,319 with 20 cents. So you write down 2,000 with $139.99, and that is our last result. Now go ahead and look for your section 6.7 in your textbook and complete the problems 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, and 12 for your homework.